I'm still on the 150. Yeah, it is a lot harder work, but it's just fun to ride. It's like really fun. We haven't done anything too crazy yet, but we'll see. What I will say is it's hard to lift the front up to pop it over stuff. Oh, and the brakes are good. Oh, I'm really liking this bike. Not enjoying getting freaking soaking. This is cool. Hello! Oh, be careful on the rocks. Oh, this thing. It's just so playful. Oh, I mean, obviously I love the 300 for what I do, but oh my god, as a second bike, this is so much fun, and I can kind of do everything really. Oh yeah, I'm loving it, yeah. It's handling everything, like even the slow stuff which I thought it'll be bad at. Like I thought, you know, a 150 wide open everywhere. But no, it's like obviously it is great. Little fun machine on the trails. That was the KTM camera crew. Just thought I'd open up a little bit for them. You know it is. We have more cows. Oh. Oh wow. How are the brakes? The brakes are good. Problem is, just don't know what's around the corner. A hairpin, that's nice. Whoa! Let's not go in there. That came out of the blue. This bike is so much fun. Okay. Oh man, on that kind of stuff, it's mega. I want to try and have a go on a 250 soon, even though the 150 is a lot of fun. I really want to get my hands on a 250, so hopefully someone will swap with me. This just sounds like a wasp that's like really angry, this bike does. Oh no, look where we're going. Oh, why haven't I got a 300? Oh no! Or is it okay? I think it might be okay. Okay, it's fine. Oh, it just sounds so violent. Well, I hope you're enjoying this content. I don't know where they're gone, I don't know where they're gone. Ooh. Well, they don't hang about, do they? Once they're off, they're off. I need to kind of stay a little bit close to them because I need to figure out what lines they're using. Whoa, slippery. Oh, everyone's so nice. It's really refreshing to see people loving bikes. You just don't get that in the UK. Like, what is it? Like, you come to Africa, you ride bikes wherever you want, and everyone is so happy to see you being happy. Isn't that like the philosophy for life? Just to be happy, watching other people be happy. If everyone's happy, then it's a happier place. Where am I going here? Oh no. Here we test it. Whew. Okay, it struggles a bit in the low end just to get that sheer pop with a 300 or the 250. We'll do it no problem. Woo-wee! We're hitting sections of the Roof of Africa trail, which is mega because that's like a famous race. Look at it. Wow. I haven't even spoken much about the suspension on these yet. Closed cartridge spring forks. They feel amazing, adjustable on the top and the bottom. Everything's hand adjustable, which is pretty nice. Not like getting the old screwdriver out. They've really gone above and beyond, like. So pretty impressed. No one wanted to swap a 250 for a 150. They just all told me, oh, that's a hard sell. I was like, I gave my 300 up for this, and now no one's giving it back. Go on, Sean. Pro MX rider, loving this. I should just make up that I'm pro at something. Maybe I'm a pro 150 rider. I could do that. I'm quite pro. Watch this. See that little wheelie? Whoa. It's just a little bit more difficult to figure out what gear to be in. You've got to really chug it to get any sort of grip in the slow stuff. Oh, now we're in Africa. Look how red this is. I need to play some like African music over this or something. Definitely on the plains now. Where are the lions? Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes! I think this is the GP section where you just go for it. I never thought I'd be riding here. Out of everywhere in the world to ride, I'm literally riding where they filmed the National Geographic. Oh, it's so good. But KTM, you can invite me to wherever you want to go. Like South Africa was a long bit of travel, but I made it, and I will do it again tomorrow. Oh no, hang on, I am doing it again tomorrow because I got to go home. I want to see wildebeest or a rhino. There's got to be a rhino. Apparently where we're staying, there's no like wildlife really around there because the locals just eat them all. So, yeah, very quiet in the nights. Oh, this is getting remote, isn't it? Wonder where we're stopping for lunch. Maybe on top of that mountain. We're going somewhere high for lunch. That should be lovely. Okay. Okay, now no one is saving us from any wild attacks. We are in the middle of nowhere. Like, this is where they filmed Jumanji. Oh, it's hard to get the pop on this. You gotta be in the right gear at the right time. Oh, look at this. Come on, baby, you got it. Oh, that's a lot of rocks. Whew. This is very cool. Like, very cool. I feel like I'm actually doing the Roof of Africa race, just saying. Although I guarantee it's a lot harder than what we're doing. Come on, let's have it. Oh, look where we are. Oh my god, my voice goes so high and annoying. Anyway, you know what I mean. We're somewhere cool. South Africa, baby. Whoa. Wow, look at this. Mega. Oh, this is something out of dreams. Ooh, animals. I think they're just cows though. But we'll just pretend they're wildebeest. Oh, big rocks. This is crazy terrain, this is. Like, you just got to stick to the line, because if you leave the line, well, it's not good. I kind of don't want to ride at home anymore. I feel like just travelling, wrong gear. I feel like just travelling around. Whoop. Oh, little puppy. Okay. I don't know which line they took. You have to guess this one. Oh, what is this? Do you know what? I haven't got arm pump yet, and I usually get arm pump with the stock KTM suspension. That hasn't happened yet, and we've been riding for quite a long time. Whoa, whoa. I bet on the Roof of Africa race, they absolutely send this. Absolutely send it, but I don't know the way, so just following the red line, basically. If you want a bike that makes you feel really playful on the trails, get a 150. Guarantee get a 150. They're so much fun. I'm so surprised by what it can do. It's so much fun. I just like feel like a different guy when I'm on it. It's so much fun. Oh my god. I'm glad no one wanted to swap with me. You're missing out, boys. Oh, these wall rides are fun. Joe, it'd be really cool just bringing the adventure bikes here and just traveling across the country. That'd be mega. I'm getting the gear in a little bit better. You got to chug it up the steep stuff, but this is so much fun. Oh, so much fun. So as you can tell, I absolutely loved the 150 EXC. It is one of my favorite bikes that I rode the whole trip. So the pros of the bike is that as soon as you jump on it, you just want to absolutely send it everywhere. It's not like the quickest bike, but it feels like the quickest bike. Whereas with the 300, it was a lot more powerful. But the 150 is really light, really agile. It can actually do quite a lot of stuff. The problem we had with the 150, if you noticed in some of that GoPro footage, is when we were getting up to about 2,000 meters above sea level, the density in the air really affected the performance of the bike. It would really lack a lot of power on the bottom end, so it would try and do it, but it would kind of stall at the same time. There wasn't enough power there, so getting the right gear in the low end was quite difficult. But other than that, like where I ride, I don't have high altitude really to ride bikes, so I think the 150 is possibly a bike that I'm gonna buy. I must say, am I gonna say it? The 150 is the best bike I rode out of the whole fleet, and that's within all the 4-strokes and all the 2-strokes. But we're gonna get into small bikes in the upcoming videos. I'm gonna go through each bike and tell you the pros and the cons for each. But as for fun factor, a bike on the trails that makes you smile the whole time, the 150 is the bike for you. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching Ride Safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.